Guinea pigs, often referred to as cavies, are small, adorable creatures that have captured hearts worldwide. These furry little friends are native to South America and have been domesticated for centuries. Guinea pigs are part of the rodent family, but don't be alarmed. They're much different from your usual rodents. They have a lifespan of around 4 to 8 years, making them great long-term pets for kids and adults alike. The reason for their longevity lies in their unique digestive system. Guinea pigs have a complex digestive tract that requires them to eat hay constantly to maintain a balanced diet. This diet is rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps keep their teeth worn down. Guinea pigs are social animals, living harmoniously in large groups in the wild. In human homes, they are best kept in pairs or groups to prevent loneliness and provide companionship. Their social nature also means they communicate with each other using a series of chirps, purrs, and grunts. One interesting fact about guinea pigs is their ability to produce vitamin C. Unlike most mammals, guinea pigs can't produce their own vitamin C, so they need it in their diet. A diet lacking in vitamin C can lead to health issues for these little guys, so it's essential to provide them with a balanced diet that includes fresh fruits and vegetables. Guinea pigs have been used for various purposes throughout history, including food, lab research, and even as a mode of transportation for ancient South American cultures. Today, they are primarily kept as pets due to their friendly nature and low maintenance requirements. If you're considering adding a guinea pig to your family, remember that they require regular veterinary care, a spacious cage, and a balanced diet. They also need plenty of love and attention, as they are highly affectionate creatures that form strong bonds with their human companions. In conclusion, guinea pigs are fascinating, sociable, and unique creatures that make wonderful pets. With their long lifespan, low maintenance needs, and adorable appearance, it's no wonder they've become popular pets for many households. So, if you're looking for a new furry friend, consider the charming guinea pig.